Here at Discount Flooring Depot, we want to provide you with as much information as we can to assist you throughout your project. Today we're going to introduce our brand new Manor House Parquet Laminate flooring range. The Manor House range is available in 4 decors ranging from the light and modern refined oak through the striking tapestry oak to the dark and moody regal walnut. The Manor House range is packed full of benefits. The king-size boards ensure that you can floor your entire home quickly and easily. With a brutish AC4 rating and a 20-year residential warranty, you can rest assured the Manor House range can withstand the toll of daily life. The UniClic fitting system also makes fitting a dream. Simply engage the long joint at an angle, bringing the short joint as close to the adjoining board as possible. Lower, and using a tapping block, tap the boards up until the short joint fully engages. Bags full of character combined with modern styling, the Manor House range has something to offer every home. Order your free samples today or use our room visualizer so that you can see our stunning floors in your home. Next day delivery is available, and with flexible purchase options, your perfect flooring really is just a few clicks away.